If you would like to learn the secret on how to communicate in an effective manner with your past, with your spirits, with your Eguns, with the hereafter, here I present to you my book number 37. It's called The Secret of the Spirits. And this is a step-by-step guide of unparalleled literary excellence, assuring you the establishment of spiritual connections and communication with your spirits and ancestors across all dimensions, transcending the ordinary. So this book is going to teach you how to establish your spiritual white table, how to work with your spiritual table, with the Egun, with the spirits, how to build the service of Egun outside your home. So whether you're an Aggayú, you're initiated into Orisha, you're a Avaliable, or you're a high priest of Orisha, or Oriaté, a Bore Orisha, or you're just an Aggayú, you don't practice the religion, and you would like to learn how to do this on your own without the help of anyone, here you're gonna have a faithful and a very effective way and an easy way how to understand all of the, let's just say, the old ways on how our ancestors used to do this kind of oral traditions that now is at your disposal. And my personal website, www.davidalaggayú.com. Dr. Oriaté, David Aggayú. For more information, you can go to my website or you can follow me on my YouTube channel. Blessings.